All right, then let's tell you now that Jamaicans can expect to be higher on the medal table when the IAAF World Championships comes to an end in Doha, Qatar. According to 2004 Olympic gold medalist Sharon Simpson, Simpson says she's expecting a much better showing than the last edition in 2017. More in our World Champs preview. This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019. 2017 was a disappointing year for local track and field fans as Jamaica finished with just 4 medals at the London World Championships, their worst performance in 30 years. However, there is optimism that the feat will not be repeated in Doha, Qatar. World Championships medalist Sharon Simpson, who spoke on Iron Sports recently, is confident that Jamaica's male and female teams will put on a much better showing.
I do expect 2 more medals from the male team, but much more from the female team. Expecting medals definitely from Shelly and Elaine. Shanika Ricketts also in the triple jump, I'm looking for her. And Danielle Williams in the 100-meter hurdles, you know, definitely looking for a medal from her. Yes, I think in the sprints, you know, 2 medals from Shelly and 2 from Elaine. And we will definitely surpass what we did in 2017.
The pre-championship camp is currently underway in Doha, and Simpson, who has been to several world championships, said the camp is vital in the country's performance in the athletics showpiece.
I think the camp is very important because that's where, you know, the gelling takes place, and especially for the relays. And seeing that Jamaica, we do not do a lot of relay practices. You know, other countries, you know, they go to different meets and they practice a lot, not for us, you know, Jamaicans. So I think the camp is very important for them to get it, you know, as much practice as they can for the 4x1. And also just to encourage each other, you know, and, you know, coaches to be familiar with the athletes who especially are outside of Jamaica, and just to ensure that Jamaica has that, you know, positive spirit going into the championship.
Live and exclusive coverage of the IAAF World Athletics Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.